Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set the pointer auto click delay time before action in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity. Now here click on, scroll down and click on auto action after pointer stops. Now first of all, turn on this auto click button, and after turning on this button, scroll down and here you will see our delay time before action slider. So if you want to set the pointer auto click delay time before action to more, then drag this slider to right side and it will decrease the time, increase the time, and if you want to decrease the time, then drag this slider to left side. So with this slider you can set the pointer auto click delay time before action in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.